Welcome to the CAD Builder video tutorial series. In the last video, we explored how CAD Builder calculates the overall drawer box size. But how does it take these dimensions and split the box into individual part sizes? That is handled by the rest of the construction method options. We will use the trial rabbited drawer box as the sample, but this applies to any drawer box construction method. First, a clarification. If you purchase your drawer boxes from an outside source, then you do not need the drawer box cut list. This means you only need to set the dimension section of the construction method and the default drawer box side thickness to figure out the overall drawer box size, safely ignoring other options and joints. If you cut and/or assemble drawer boxes in your shop, then all the options must be dealt with so that CAD Builder can give you an accurate cut list. We will begin with the side section. Default part thickness is the first option, and it sets the expected nominal thickness used for that part. This has two effects. One, if no material is assigned to the part, then this is the expected nominal thickness. So if you outsource your drawer boxes and do not assign drawer box materials, then this value will be used for undermount guide side clearances. This makes it critical to have the correct value in this field. Number two, if a material is assigned, but its nominal thickness does not match this expected thickness, then a warning is generated in the design. For example, if the drawer box construction states a 1/2 inch drawer side is expected, but a 3/4 inch nominal thickness material is used, then CAD Builder will use the 3/4 inch assignment, but show a warning that something does not match. So in summary, if you outsource your drawer box, then this side thickness value and dimension section options must be correct, while the other options can be ignored. If you do need a cut list, then every option must be taken care of. This expected default part thickness setting will be seen for every part type in both drawer box as well as cabinet construction methods. Side enabled can toggle the drawer box side on or off. Most drawer boxes have this on, but it can be useful for roll-out shelves where no side is present. Side height and side bottom adjustments allow the drawer box side to be taller or shorter than the overall drawer box height. Most drawer boxes have these set at 0, but if your drawer side is not flush to sub front or back, then typing in a positive value extends it, whereas a negative value contracts the side. Banding setting toggles where the edge banding is applied onto the drawer side, if at all. Check the box next to the appropriate faces. The back section follows with much the same settings. Set the expected back thickness, whether it is enabled or disabled, and whether the edges are flush at the top and bottom. It has an additional edge options of back offset, which can push the back piece inside the sides by some amount or be left at 0 to make the parts flush. Then the same edge banding options apply here as with the side. Front deals with the drawer box subfront piece. Set its thickness, enable status, offset, bottom and top adjustments, and edge banding similar to the others. Bottom has the default part thickness and possible edge banding settings too, but it also has two distinct settings. Bottom minimum offset, which is used to leave space for the undermount drawer guide, and bottom grain direction, which can be set along face, aka side to side, or alongside, aka front to back. The joints section is the last piece of the puzzle. This section is also seen in the cabinet construction method, and it dictates what part extends to the other and what joint to use. Take the side-back connection for instance. You have 4 possible choices: extend back to side to back, side to box back, or miter. This rabbited drawer box construction rabbits the back into the side, with the side getting the groove cut so that end grains are not seen. So we will set this to extend side to back. Then we need to assign the connection method to use. Connection methods and their parameters are created in the next submodule and are covered in other videos, so we will focus on how to assign it for now. Click on the three dots under Parts Connection to display the Connection Selection menu. Select the connection type on the left, in this case, Rabbit Connection. Then select the connection method in the middle of the screen. For this video, we will use Trial Rabbit Joint, though we recommend you create your own connections for your setup. The right-hand column will display read-only settings to ensure we have the correct connection configuration. We will click Select to confirm, and now the Rabbit connection is assigned to the joint. We will repeat the process for the side front joint by setting the side to extend to the box front and assigning the same Rabbit joint. The drawer bottom is typically dadoed into the surrounding parts, so we go to the bottom side joint, pick Extend Side to Bottom so that the groove is on the side of the drawer box, then open the Connection Selection menu, select Dado Connection category, and assign Trial through Dado. We will repeat this for the bottom front and bottom back joints so that there is a groove for the bottom in all surrounding parts. Adjust all these settings for your own setup. If, for instance, you extend the bottom to the back of the drawer box and have the back piece on top of the bottom, then you can set the bottom back connection to Extend Bottom to Back and set the connection to Default Connections and None to effectively implement a butt joint. Our construction method is now done and can convert full drawer box dimensions into the constituent drawer box part sizes. Keep in mind that we used trial options for the purpose of the video, but we recommend creating your own joints and method options. You can also create additional drawer box construction methods for different situations. Maybe create one for outsourcing, another one for in-house, another method for dovetailed versus butt joint drawer boxes, etc. CAB Builder's system gives you several degrees of freedom when it comes to how you handle your setup. Thank you for watching. To view additional video tutorials, please visit www.cabbuildersoftware.com/training.